If there was a headline for Australia's property market in March 2026, it might read something to the effect of how values continue to grow despite rising affordability constraints and falling consumer sentiment. And whilst this certainly is true, the real story would be in how our property market has effectively fractured into two. That is, between our two key capitals and everywhere else. Melbourne and Sydney saw negative value growth last month, whereas our growth leaders, such as Perth and Brisbane, saw their value growth accelerate. The result is indeed due to very unique supply and demand characteristics when it comes to each of these markets. What it also showed us, however, is how our more price-sensitive markets are more susceptible to consumer sentiment than ever before. This has not only been proven at a capital city level, but also at a suburb level, where the more affordable properties being snapped up by first-home buyers and investors are performing better than those that are less affordable. The rental market has also performed contrary to expectations, with growth being experienced across the board despite affordability constraints there also. Overall, the outlook for 2026 remains uncertain, as we are yet to see how the Iran conflict plays out. What we can say with a fair amount of uncertainty, however, is that the polarization between Australia's property market is expected to continue to grow.